Let me sit here. So I've got
Hi,
two
sir.
chairs reserved here for you. Okay, everybody, listen up. This is Dre. We're gonna yell and scream. We're gonna say how good we are.
Social isolation is perhaps one of the greatest crises for an aging population. One study suggests that being socially isolated is the equivalent health impact of smoking a pack of cigarettes per day.
Say the relational aspect they said was key. Like in aging is to have a good social group.
Yep.
People that you can come and spend time with that you care about.
Some of the challenges I foresee with my dad in the aging process are encouraging him to stay social and develop a socially active life.
Generally speaking, as individuals age, they do better in situations with more of an opportunity for people to have a sense of purpose across generations and across different kinds of environments.
We opened this place with the idea to create an area where people of all ages could come together and just hang out and have a good time. Society has us kind of divided.
I like the concept that you're bringing generations together.
Mm-hmm.
There's a different way of maturing. It felt like a comfortable space.